Alright, so we're here at historic Fortress Louisbourg, or Louisbourg, and we're here for a geocaching event in middle of February. Weather-wise, it's around freezing. Of course, we're on the ocean, so we got a nice little stiff breeze, and there's about probably over 40 people on site right now, so we're just gonna walk around the site, find some of the geocaches. That's the reason why we're here, and meet up at the pub later on. So one of the reasons why they built the fortress here in the 1700s was that it was pretty much an ice-free harbor. One of the cool things about a winter event is that you show up late and you just follow the foot tracks. So this is our geocache container. We have a logbook, pencil, and our QR code. Alright, so I'm just using Scan Life, which is an iPhone app, and I'm just gonna scan the QR code that's in the image, and it's gonna load up some supplemental information about it, and read more about it after we're done here. So at this particular geocache site, we're here to view the fortifications that were done. When they built the fortress, they really didn't think a land attack was possible until the 1745 siege. So they kind of built some more fortifications, walls, and a ditch to help protect the base of the wall from cannonball fire. Okay, so the fortress was built by the French in the early 1700s, and during that time it kind of flipped control between the English and the French until the English finally destroyed the fortress around 1760. I'll tell you one thing, it would really suck to be a sentry here in the winter back in the day, because it is cold and wet. Alright, oh, there it is. Alright, this is it. Last cache. Explored the fortress in detail. Learned a lot about Louisbourg, and we're going to head out to Geocaching pub, one of the 18th century taverns, for the final wrap up. Warm up a bit, a little coffee, a little tea, because I know one thing, I am cold.
Well, this one.
I don't know if it hurts the face of me, the eyes, and I glasses.
Alright, the event is done. People are packing up. We had a good turnout. There were about 67 logged names. You even had some people from Germany that they found out about the event dropped by. even though most of the buildings are shut down for the winter, the fortress is still open, so you can come and visit and walk around and explore some of the spots. And the other thing too is you don't have to stay within the walls of the fortress. There's a lot of property to explore. There's a few trails being built too, so in a year or two there will be some very nice trails to explore